So, with best intentions, I went out to take some pictures and videos of, grass blowing in the breeze. There's some nice moody skies about. Didn't think too much of it. I just wanted to focus on the foreground, watching the grass move around softly in the background with the wind that was picking up. At this point, it did start to spit a little, but little did I know that after this shot, that basically the heavens would open and a big thunderstorm would, round me off, but also make my day. This is when the thunderstorm is developing a little. Started to get a little worried about it, but what you do for photography is just deal with the weather. Be out there, capture the moment you're in. It's often the best times for me, just being out there with the camera, wandering about. Hail, rain, snow, whatever the weather. The things you do for photography and video. Oh. Yep, time to put the gimbal away from the lightning. Normal day in Greater Manchester. A little bit wet. And a thunderstorm, so yeah. Lovely views though. Lovely little walk. Oh. Yep. Oh yeah, it's really wet now. Me hoping the weather hadn't gotten in the camera. Whilst enjoying the view of the valley ahead in the rain. And here's one of the drone shots from later on after the rainstorm had passed. Yeah, I think this one's a keeper.